You may delay, but time will not. Wasting time is robbing oneself. It's bad enough wasting time without killing it. Determine never to be idle. No person will have occasion to complain of the want of time who never loses any. It is wonderful how much can be done if we are always doing. There is one kind of robber whom the law does not strike at, and who steals what is most precious to men, time. I do not want to waste any time. And if you are not working on important things, you are wasting time. Don't waste your time looking back. You're not going that way. I'm very direct. I don't believe in wasting time, in wasting words. Know the difference between being patient and wasting your time. If everybody knows where everything is kept, you can avoid wasting time looking for things. We live in the midst of plenty, but always seem to want more. We feel that we do not have enough time, and yet we waste the precious time we have on video games, text messaging, reading about the lives of talentless celebrities, or earning more money to buy things we don't need. Watch less TV and spend less time surfing the web. Cut down on these time-wasting activities and replace them with productive activities which will help you realize your financial goals. Don't spend time beating on a wall hoping to transform it into a door. Don't spend your precious time asking, "Why isn't the world a better place?" It will only be time wasted. The question to ask is, how can I make it better? To that, there is an answer. I'm not running around as a continual ray of sunshine. It's just, I don't believe in wasting time feeling sorry for myself. If you worry about something that you have no control over or can absolutely do nothing about, then you are wasting your time, energy, and emotion. Anytime you have an opportunity to make a difference in this world and you don't, then you are wasting your time on earth. Realize deeply that the present moment is all you ever have. The greatest amount of wasted time is the time getting started. I wasted time, and now doth time waste me. Wasting time with the wrong person is just time wasted. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Comparing yourself to someone else is a massive waste of time. Be picky with who you invest your time in. Wasted time is worse than wasted money. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Your time is way too valuable to be wasting on people that can't accept who you are. Don't waste your time with explanations. People only hear what they want to hear. You need to associate with people who inspire you, people that challenge you to raise higher, people that make you better. Don't waste your valuable time with people that are not adding to your growth. Your destiny is too important. We're all guilty of dedicating time to people who didn't value it. Don't waste your time being what someone wants you to become in order to feed their list of rules. boundaries, and insecurities. Find your tribe. They will allow you to be you while you dance in the rain. While there are issues that cannot be negotiated or compromised, there are petty things that are not worth getting worked up about. Consider whether something is really worth your time and energy. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. Never let anyone belittle your efforts to better yourself. Let them stand back or stand aside, but you move forward, no matter who tries to stop you. No relationship is ever a waste of time. If it didn't bring you what you want, it taught you what you don't want. Don't waste words on people who deserve your silence. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can say is nothing at all. If you don't plan your time, someone else will help you waste it. What I do is keep trying to focus on what I am doing now, instead of wasting time thinking about what went wrong in the past or will happen in the future. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. It's only when we truly know and understand that we have a limited time on earth and that we have no way of knowing when our time is up that we will begin to live each day to the fullest as if it was the only one we had. Lost time is like a run in a stocking. It always gets worse. Time is a resource that is non-renewable and non-transferable. You cannot store it, slow it up, hold it up, divide it up, or give it up. You can't hoard it up or save it for a rainy day when it's lost. It is unrecoverable. When you kill time, remember that it has no resurrection.